Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing fine at your place. Children, today I will tell you about the NGuru app. So, there is a code which is given in your computer book. You can use this code to access the app. Now, when you all will open your book, here you can see the code is given. By using this code, you can access the NGuru app. You can watch the e-content, all your chapters and the videos which are related with your chapters. They are given in the app and you can use it for your better understanding. Children, to use NGuru app, first of all you have to click on Play Store and then you have to install NGuru app. It will take few seconds to install. Once it is installed, you have to click on Open. Then you can click on Skip, Allow, Allow, Allow. Then you have to enter your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, you have to click on this arrow. Click here and then you have to enter the password. If you are doing it for the first time, it will give you one OTP. You have to enter that OTP. Then you will write your name and create a password. So you can enter the password and then click on arrow. After this, you have to click on Redeem License. Now it will ask you for the code. Now you will enter the code which is given in your book. Please enter it very carefully. And click on Submit. Children, this code is unique for everyone. Every book is having the code. You cannot use the same code. Like two children cannot use the same code. It is unique for each and every book. So after this, you are going to click on OK. And then you will click on the option My Bookshelf. So from here, you can see your book, Class 3. You can click on your book and see all the chapters are given here. So these are the contents which are available. At present, we are doing the chapter 8, creating a presentation. So you are going to download this. It will take some time for downloading. So whichever topic you want to see, you have to download it. Children, now once it is downloaded, you just have to click here. So once it is downloaded, you just have to click on the topic. It will take few seconds for loading. Once it is loaded, your contents will come like this.
Hey Tanya, I have to present a story in the class and I want to make some props for it.
Why don't you create a PowerPoint presentation and use it as a prop?
Great idea. This will make my story lively.
So next you will click on this arrow and you can move to the next slide.
To create a presentation, open Microsoft PowerPoint.
All the topics which are given in your
PowerPoint
chapter, you
presentation
can watch
is
from
a
here.
collection of slides used to present meaningful information about a topic. To open Microsoft PowerPoint, click Start. Select all programs. Click Microsoft Office from the program list. Select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Microsoft PowerPoint is the software in the Microsoft Office suite that helps you create presentations or show information using slides. It is used in different fields such as in teaching, office, and seminars. You can add text, images, backgrounds, animations, sound files, and videos to your presentation to make it attractive. Microsoft PowerPoint opens.
Same way, children, you will click on the next arrow to watch the new slide.
On opening Microsoft
Like this.
PowerPoint, a presentation with the default
Children, if you are practicing it side by side, here is the play and pause button.
title
You can
slide
also use
opens. A slide is an individual page of a presentation that displays some information. To add the title,
So this is how you can use this app. As I have told you, all your chapters are given here. You just have to download them and then you can view the content. It is in a form of a video. You can understand the topics better. So you can assess this. You can assess all the chapters. You just have to download the app NGuru and use the code which is given in your book. I hope this video will be helpful for you for understanding of your chapters. Thank you everyone.